Last episode, we moved into a grand design fifth wheel, and after dealt with so many problems, we just have a few more to solve. It's just shedding really bad. We have cleaned the floor so many times, but look at our floor. You just leave those shredded things everywhere.
Garbage.
So we removed both couches that was falling apart.
It's a laser cannon.
Boo, boo. It's not a laser.
What is it then?
It's a screwdriver.
It's a screwdriver.
Hey, what's that?
Is that a trampoline?
No.
I'm excited to have clean floors.
Indeed, having a clean floor is nice, but since we both work in RV, a dedicated office space would be even nicer. Hey, how you doing?
My back hurts.
How about I build you an office?
You're gonna build me an office?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep, I have no idea how to do any of it. What happened? Is it scary? Can I hold you? I wanted to pick up this project because I'm really bad at this kind of stuff. It's like a realm of darkness that my brain just has zero information about. Luckily, with a partner who's really good at making stuff, I got some great help.
So like the piece is coming out here, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's flat on here and then this shape.
Okay.
And it's a big panel here. So you get your depth. I'm like barely poking through, maybe 1/8 of an inch. You want to feel
He
how
taught
much
me
is
how
sticking
to
out the
use those
bottom?
tools I was not
Right,
familiar
something like
with.
that's about right. You feel it? No, right here.
Helped me with some heavy lifting parts. And just overall speed up the process for me a little bit. Okay, maybe more than a little bit. Because I was struggling. Pulling those nails are not easy. They barely have anything stuck out and it's super hard to pull. They're constantly breaking and I don't know, I'm getting tired of it. This is day 7 of this project and it's looking like this. There's still a lot of work that needs to be done. Yeah. I was planning on finishing this whole thing in 4 days, so I have some time to work on the video and post the video, but I guess I had no idea how long this is gonna take. I was a bit defeated in the middle of the project. The seemingly simple project that only need a couple pieces of wood and some paint jobs has so many unexpected steps. But I just thought to myself, if I just keep going, it will eventually be done. So apparently caulking is not something you would leave and sand it after. You are supposed to like cleaning it as you go. I didn't know. So now I get to sink down more caulking. But the moment I decide to stop looking at the finish line and just focus on completing the current step, little by little, this big project starting to get smaller and the pocket is starting to look like an office. The build is 99.9% done. Let's go take a look. Come on. Here it is. I'm gonna talk through our design a little bit right here. We put the cabinets in the middle instead of on the side like a lot of people do, because we do have two people working here and we want to be as separate as possible so we don't interfere with each other. And then we picked this color to be slightly orangey and red to just differentiate from the surface and then the floor, and kind of tie with the furnitures that we want to have for the other side. And next we have those camera mounts from our house. Those are really, really important to me. It's my passion. Obviously all my cameras gonna go with us, and then this is like a really nice way to put them up because it's organizing them nicely. It's really easy when I need to use them, and it's like part of the decoration as well. The floor is sitting on a slide out, so it's not as easy if you would flush with the actual floor down here. How we designed this is to put a front face to just hide the carpet in front of it, but we do have a gap down here, so when the slide come in and out, you wouldn't scratch the floor. We'll do the same thing on the other side so they would match. We put a plant right here to just give it a little bit life. I love to have greens in the space I spend a lot of time in. We have a gap behind this table to just run the cords and hide the cords, which is a really important piece to keep the space neat. So we purchased a couple other things, small things that will actually finish this spot. Is we have a curtain and slash blinds coming to finish the window piece. I kind of like how it's open right now, but you just like when you need some privacy, you need to have some blinds. And then we also ordered a monitor stand. Obviously that will keep the monitor in place, and just have this set up a little bit higher so it'll be easier, ergonomically easier for our neck. There will be a hook for right here and other side, so when we are moving, the hook will just come out to like stop the chair from moving, sliding out, and yeah, then that will solve the problem being on the road. Although this makeover isn't perfect, those imperfections serve as a constant reminder of everything I learned along the way. I learned to use tools I was once afraid of to complete tasks that felt impossible. I don't think I cut it all the way through, not what to do with. And most importantly, to be patient. It's 5:54 p.m. right now. We started working on this around 9 a.m. this morning, and it looks like, let me just show you, not much has changed. Yeah, not much has changed. It's so easy to want to rush through a process just to see the final vision, but in reality, every step contributes to the end result, and it shows when they are rushed.
Nice.
Matches.
Perfect edge.
Nice.
Yeah.
As Ryan told me at the start of this project, 80% of painting is prep work. This might not have been the most efficient use of my time. I could have easily hired someone to do it faster, better, and cheaper. But nothing can replace the energy and feeling it carries when you do it by yourself. The effort you pour into a craft, the details you design,
So it's like exactly 8 3/4 from the floor.
and even the mistakes you make along the way are what makes the final product unique. Am I the only one who makes a mess when they dump the paint? I don't understand it. And the process of creating it is what makes my experience unique. After all, life isn't all about efficiency. Glorious! I love that. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know what you think about our new office space. We'll see you next time. I finally know why does it take so long for you to do this kind of stuff.